Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today we are working on Inspiration January 2026, and I have a bunch of prompts that we are working through. So today is day 5, and so we're going to work on the word of the year. It's a super simple one, and you don't have to choose a word of the year. You can just kind of look at them. Actually, you don't have to do anything, but I do have a freebie printable, which includes the word of the year. It includes this prompt list, which is great for keeping on your desk, especially if you like it in bigger print, or you can put it on a bulletin board. I love this. But I also have, in the freebie, I also have this one, which is a smaller prompt list and then a smaller tag. And so these could be cut out and they could fit into your journals. This one probably needs to be cut down just a tad to fit in there, but it's a good size for a smaller journal, right? Or for a regular sized journal, I should say. And then I cut one of the tags out to use for my resolution. This is a freebie also, so you can use these in your journal, and they're a nice large size. And so I love using them large like this, but I also sometimes cut off the bottom to make them shorter, or I fold the bottom up and glue it on the back so that it makes a little pocket. Anyways, so that's kind of that, but let's get back to this. So I included the word of the year printable, and I love this idea because I love words, and words are really inspiring to me. So I thought, okay, let me put together a word of the year printable, because I like to go through and just kind of read through it throughout the year, so you don't have to actually choose it on this day. But I do think about it, and I read through them, and I kind of figure out which ones fit my life or my year best. So something like this, I would just cut and put into a journal. I have a smaller version here too. I would cut this out and add it to my journal and just kind of glance through it and think about what is my word of the year. So one year I remember that I kept having, I'd be thinking about different situations, and the word mindful kept coming up. I kept thinking, oh, I need to be more mindful of certain things, or like pay attention to certain things. So that was my word of the year a few years back. So that's kind of what I'm trying to explain. You can actually do it whatever way you want, but that's kind of my background, how I wanted to talk about it. But you can also cut these out. I think they would also be great for decorating like a tag. You could cut them out and add them to a tag, like care, surrender, faith, trust, grow. I think they work really great like that too. So that's what that is. And basically, go through your journal and try to think about what is your word of the year, or maybe just use a word from here. I'm thinking, I have this tag right here, and I'm thinking, what if I add to it one of the words? I wasn't sure what I was going to do, actually. I was just going to talk about choosing a word of the year, but I like intentional. Doesn't that sound good? But I'm looking at this image, and I want to see what fits with this image. So I'm looking: gentle, simple, slow, quiet, bloom, expand, flourish, grow. I like grow. That's kind of cute. You know what? I like that because my husband and I got married super young, and I think I'm going to use the word grow because we kind of grew together, if that makes sense. Because we're so young, and I feel like that kind of represents us. So I'm going to use that. At least right now, that's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to use that. And let's see, I'm going to ink it. So you can use these words any way you wish, but that was my inspiration, was to use it as a word of the year. Okay, I'm going to fold it up a bit, wrinkle it up. Maybe I should add something here. Wouldn't that be pretty? And maybe a little bit of lace. I like that there. Let's see. I'm thinking to just glue it on here, you know? So I'm just gluing the lace down almost like a ruffle right here. And then I think, let's see, what can I do? Sometimes I just gotta try different things before I settle on something specific. And this was so unexpected. I had no idea what direction I was gonna go. I thought I was just gonna choose a word of the year. But then I thought it makes sense to actually add it to a tag, right? I think that is really cute. Maybe that will be also my word of the year, is grow. Huh? Growing is not always fun. Sometimes it's uncomfortable. Because you have to kind of push yourself out of your comfort zone. And even when you're creating, if you want to grow as an artist, often it's pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. And I always like to work in my comfort zone, honestly. But I have been learning that it could be fun to do a challenge and push yourself a little bit, because sometimes you're surprised with what you can create or learn. Let's see, do I want to do some lace? I don't want to do too much, and I feel like that's kind of off. Let's see what else I can do. I want to, maybe I should use some of this. Or this. I have some fabric that I just love. I might actually end up making some fabric kits with these colors because they're so pretty. So stay tuned if you guys love my fabric kits. I might be coming out with something. Well, I am planning on it, but we'll see when. I'm not sure when. Okay, so I love these colors. They're just so pretty. Okay, I have the lace. Where do I want to put it? I kind of like that there. Isn't that pretty there? Sometimes you got to just pull stuff back. And I actually like this here too. Okay. Okay, you know what we're going to do? We are going to glue this down first. So it's okay to change your mind. I think I'm going to cut. And then, let's see, I think I like this here. See that? And then what if I add the bow, like right there? Or I can add it here. Isn't that cute? That's better. See that? It just needed a little bit of rearranging, I think. Let's see, can we add more? Do we want to add more? Sometimes it takes a little bit more. Okay. I'm putting this down because I think I like it here now. I mean, maybe... See that? I think that's really cute. And then I think, like, do I want that here? I can actually do it here. Do you guys do this? Because sometimes things just flow, but sometimes I have to kind of work with it. I think I like it there better. See that? So I'm going to glue it here. I love adding lace, especially vintage laces, to my tags and stuff. That's just, it like instantly adds so much to it. It elevates it. Okay. And I love this lace. It's so pretty. Okay. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that so much. And then that can go there. I think that is perfect. And then that can go here. You know what? I love this idea of using these words, the word of the year printable for tags. Oh my gosh, I love it. I actually have a lot of like words and sentiments that I put together as printables, and they can take a lot of time to make. But I love using them. I love to make them for myself, so I have a whole lot of them. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. It's like perfect, isn't it? I had no clue that I would actually end up making a tag today. Oh my gosh. Okay, I surprised myself today. I think we are done. So that is my word of the year. Okay? And tomorrow is photo. And Casey is gonna do a her take on using a photo in a journal. And you guys, make sure you guys go look her up. I'll have the link down below. She is on Instagram, and she does really beautiful mixed media style journals, and I am so inspired by her work. I love her work. She also teaches, she has classes, okay? So go ahead and check her out. I think that is it. I like that. That is so cute. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.